Dog, check it. Call Lil C's, tell that motherfucker to bring me some motherfucking weed from his house, man. Fuck that. Tell Uncle Paulie to go pick up 10,000 from Dad and go take about like 20 G's from him. Tell that motherfucker to get this nigga next door up out of here, nigga, be snoring all night and can't sleep. And call that big butt nurse with the long hair to come suck my dick.
Bad boy, bitch, come on.
Said I need about 3 weeks of recovery. But the nurses is loving me, saying the best part of the day is my half. Feeding me breakfast and giving me a sponge bath. Niggas say I died dead in the streets. Nigga, I'm getting high, getting head on the beach. Chillin', sitting on about $500,000. With all my niggas, all my guns, all my women. Next 2 years, I should see about $1 billion. All for the love of drug dealing. Got no love for the other side, fuck them tricks. Any repercussions, you your mouth and you spit clip all the time. Big Papa kick the raw rhymes, raw flows, and that's how it goes.
This for my niggas slinging things, hammer-ringing king, struck necklace, igloo, ringing things. For the bitches who see them rims spinning grin, that shit with the B trimmed and wing. Heavy and Nardo, silver spurs to rag. On the road to the riches, more furs to drag. More niggas to kill than birds to bag. Hit the jeweler and splurge the tab. Hops out the truck like Trick, what up? Call me Sean if you suck, call me gone when I nut. That's the end of us. Get your friend to fuck, twist and bend her up. You know the deal, niggas talking real greasy on some ballin' shit. Funny how quick these pricks forget. Acting like I ain't the reason they traded they shit. Switch that 5, cop that 6. It's all good, you know who the clone is. Fuck the Joneses, niggas tryna keep up with the cone dudes.
What's his name? He is. Come on. What's his name?
You that cool bitch, keep a glass filled to the rim. The notorious K.I. to the M. That's me and MTV, no doubt. Titty out like whoa, I don't give a fuck. Y'all know my attitude. Can't stand my cologne and stay your ass home. You ran your chaperone. Things done changed, but we continue to reign as the king and the queen of hip hop. Me and B.I. Frank White, still a center of attention. I'm by his side with the chrome fifth, playing my position. Sexy, young thing from the ghetto. That bitch rocking mics and high heels to leather. We taking over like Francis, switching our styles like the hottest new dances. See, I let y'all live and stack a little paper. Be glad I pushed my album back. I did y'all hoes a favor.
He did you a favor. Come on now. What's his name? He is. We are. Come on. He is. B.I.G. baby. He is. Come on. We are. Bad boy. 2000. B.I.G. born again. He is. And he won't stop.
Love this place.